And now, dear friends, the gemstone of our evening's diversion, an interlude of melody from that singular sweetheart of song, that beauteous balladeer, Mistress Emma McGill.
The snow was very plentiful, and crumbs were very few, when a weather-beaten sparrow through a mansion window flew. Her eye fell on a golden cage, a sweet love song she heard, sung by a pet canary there, a handsome yellow bird. He said to her, Miss Sparrow, I've been struck by Cupid's arrow. Will you share my cage with me? She looked up at his castle with its ribbon and its tassel, and in plaintive tones said she, Goodbye, little yellow bird, I'd gladly mate with you. I love you, little yellow bird, but I love my freedom too.
Is that it for tonight then, Archie? Not wearing your fingers out counting, are you?
We've done worse, right?
Have you talked to her?
I'll get to it.
The time for the next coronation. Look, I've just come from Danny Briggs. The offer still stands, but he and his partners aren't going to wait forever.
Don't tell me, Vi. It's her ladyship standing in the way. You know what she says.
Look, your dad didn't leave you his half of this old mausoleum just so the tax people could take it away. They stopped wanting her kind of music years ago. In a few months, we'll have nothing.
All right. I'll talk to her.
Oh.
Could not be sold. She said, I must be going, but he cried, no, no, it's snowing, and the wintry winds do blow. Stay with me, my little dearie, for without you 'twould be dreary. But she only sighed, ah, no. Goodbye, little yellow bird, I'd gladly mate with you. I love you, little yellow bird, but I love my freedom.